Hi everyone, Gale J. Yandell here. I'm so excited. Have you registered yet for our conference coming up in September? Well, if not, you need to get that taken care of. We're doing something different this year at the International Fellowship of Chaplains Conference in September. We're having keynote speakers, we're having breakout sessions, and in our breakout sessions, we're having group discussions. So we need you to come to the conference to help us. Haven't signed up yet? Well, what are you waiting for? What would a conference be without you? So get to it. And if you need help with travel or a place to stay, go on our private IFOC Chaplain Facebook and make a post. Hey, anybody headed that way that I could ride with? Hey, is there anyone that I could share a room with? And see what comes up. No promises, but I have a feeling that some other people would be willing to help share expenses and help get you here as well. So, still haven't signed up? Hey, the clock is ticking. It's in September, the 12th through the 14th. We need you there. Don't make me come look for you. Sign up today. We'll see you soon.